Welcome to ParakeetAI quick mobile tutorial where we will explain and show how this app works on phones. For the full in-depth explanation of all the features, open the app on your computer. Here are the questions we will answer in this video. Click on the timestamp to jump to the selected part of the tutorial. Before we begin, make sure that you're using the latest version of the Google Chrome browser app to ensure that ParakeetAI will work properly. To start, open our website ParakeetAI.com and click on one of the Try for Free buttons or type app.parakeet-ai.com into the URL bar. Now create your account by using Google or type in your email. What you're seeing right now is the homepage of the ParakeetAI dashboard. Open the menu with all the pages by clicking this button on the top left, and you can also see how many credits you have here. The first step is to upload your resume. This is optional, but we encourage you to do so because this will allow ParakeetAI to provide answers based on your actual past experiences. Click Upload Resume or CV's Resumes button in the left menu to see the list of your resumes. Then click on the Upload Resume button on the top right to upload a new resume. Now you can select to upload the PDF version of your resume if you have one on your phone, or you can create one manually. Soon you will also be able to generate a resume with AI, which is a feature that we're working on right now. I will select Upload Resume, click Upload again, and then select the resume file on my phone. Now type in the name for this resume. This is the resume editing page. If you've uploaded your resume from a PDF file, then the ParakeetAI has automatically recognized and filled out the resume based on your information. If you haven't uploaded your resume and instead decided to create one manually, these fields are therefore empty and you can fill them out by yourself. Now you can go through your resume and make sure that all the information has been entered correctly. If you wish to add a form of education or the job experience, just click on the button Add Education or Add a Job and type in the information you'd like to add. All the information you type is saved automatically, as you can see right here, and if you'd like to delete your entire resume, just click the red trash icon in the top right corner. Now let's return to the homepage and continue with the next step. Now that we've added our resume, it's time to start a free trial session to see how ParakeetAI actually works. To do that, you can click Create Session button right here on the homepage, or navigate to the Interviews page in the left menu, where you can see all your previous interview sessions, and click on the Start Trial Session in the top right corner. This is where you provide the information about the company and the position you're applying for, so ParakeetAI can provide custom answers based on that information. So type in the company and the job description you're applying to, then select the language you'll be speaking at the interview and click Next. Now select the resume we've recently created, so ParakeetAI can also generate responses based on that. Click Next, and now you have the option to give our AI extra context regarding information it will provide. You could, for example, ask it to be more technical, only write in a formal tone, or maybe be more casual. This field is optional, so we will leave it empty for this trial session. You can also turn on the Simple English mode. This means that ParakeetAI will not be using complex words when generating responses. The last option is to save an interview summary. This means that ParakeetAI will save a text-only transcription of your conversation on your profile, create a summary of the questions that you received and the answers that you gave in your interview, and then generate an AI analysis of your responses so you can do even better next time. I'll turn it on and click Next. This is just a warning that this is a free 10-minute trial session. You'll want a full session for the real interview. Now it's time to give ParakeetAI permission to use a microphone on your phone. This is the main difference between the mobile and the desktop version of our app. While the desktop version connects directly to your online meeting, such as Zoom or Google Meet, this mobile version does not connect directly to the call, but simply listens to everything that is said through the microphones of the phone. The setup is therefore easier on the mobile because we only have to give it permission to use the microphone and we're in. As you can see, the transcription of everything the app hears is seen in this top row. And whenever you get a question like, what are the 3 highest mountains in South America? You simply press the Generate Response button and the app will give you a response with ChatGPT 4.0. Now ask it something related to your experience to get the information from the resume we just created. For example, describe one of your past job experiences. As you can see, ParakeetAI uses the information from your resume to generate an answer. If you prefer the mobile version of our app, you can use it on your job interview by placing your phone in front of your laptop display and read from there. But we encourage you to try the desktop version as well. You can also click on the Clear button here on the bottom to clear the responses and the transcription so you can focus on the next question. This timer on the top right tells you how much time you have left in your interview session, and you can use the red button to exit the interview session. This was a 10-minute free trial session. If you want a full 1-hour interview session, you need to buy 1 credit, which you can do by clicking the menu button in the top left corner and clicking Get Credits button below. Now select the offer and click Get Credits again. Fill out your information, make a payment, and the credits will be in your account instantly. This was just a quick introduction to show the core functionality of ParakeetAI on mobile. For a full in-depth tutorial of all the features, visit app.parakeet-ai.com on your computer. Let us know if you have any questions by clicking the email support button in the menu bar, and have a great day.